for any ready for na ye boy for bada what is a wo falumba ne tabo ni din ono ene na mebe mo akọ na akotie na numa asem simape na wo hunu se ope baby pa ope di for bi de ho akobata no a ye wadi for mu ahodo minimo hawo kro hawo o hwa abodamfo wa ha ene ya ba ha wo hunu ni nyina ma borofo onidie papa na basa so na eni ji se me wo se o yare na ba na kache a ono ama baby a wo beda na wama wodunani adi kosi se wo ubenya ahoto na wo ababa bedi adanse nyame nsa wo ne so ne ma wo ye buradwe ne entiase so koso na wo pepere bia kompai body a eja pekrum ene ewo se woko adiji se be wo se bosumi bia ye all 91 te bia wo hye bia wetima prepare na wa baby bosumi bia ifia da to so mienu no ye no wona fa number na egu afidie ne so na frɛ papa yenko ne he odifo no etire na num kasa ketua na bo se wo te na num kasa mpa obo ebeto yam yenko he ne mra ya famina na ye bo odifo awiemfo ba no japekuru adum no nyame de ma ye kwa wo se ye mfa nchapla me de me dwuma media ne se me nyame som ne me sofodie nyina me se me hwe nyanka misia mobbo wa fo bodi ana me hwe wo na wo ba no so nya nunku anti ese me ma wo nyame ase na wo nom na wuti na wo meye wo ba ni nyagidie se Obama na se wanka se mu problem na be dey e be sofo jidie ni mu a unso kristo ni kase obi o e dey wo jidie wo a wo hwe me no wo a wo hwe me se sia wo hwe me wo na me na wo ka sa asa no bra ani achinye difo ho na si difo ni ho ba bia me wo a olumba e be pie me so no ye ka che wo be yo hono na be ju nsem mi hye wura mu ba bi na de beda ahoto be dia ba bia wo beda dia wo betina aduane a wo bedi wo dia wo ni hweku am so wo de beda enye achinyi bomode aba na abedu ha wo be hu nyame ani munyam ene ne kase me number wo hwe ma kira ko adu nyam ye 0243 356583 bra na abedu ha wo be hu nyame ani munyam ene ne kase amen.
Mama Koowaa and Mobile Koowaa so KUMAWOOD TV. If it's a prayer, if you say no one tree everybody. Yes, now absolutely. In some way to identify our yourself and na able to be up so I'm also with the air cost so I don't pay never know why they na sikuma se ha de to say egugusa papa ne ye na adwuma kuskunku na yi ni tine de ene na wum we be say laziness boom any idea na so ni na mu no yabadia ye na sota ye de be ma no san say abre nyina oye na na doye e wo ho e ma ye da minim say jide ni bi ajibu say amen enye ho fanyi sika ye bibia ne mu no na daroma me ni dan edo hine if you start prayer question na otwe be body ye fast da e ma ya boafoa abre bia no wo mo etebe o mu sika chichidie eso yasne ema yedi ko adwumadi ebrel as a pc enkoma ogifo na na yeboa e wojapeko vas odihye bia na adwene mo kano mobrowa enyanka ekranfo wo mo ni bie no mo nyina no moda na bemba se mo majapeko na obeye mo moa ama mo so no mo kra ni etime ache number ena eda screen so no fa na na twetwe nkomo e mo bie se fata no o de bedomo ama won so sebie so sebie nya do si apo science out of e enwochire na wo de aja no se anaba yan fast debium e ma home state and block factory e ba na say open blocks e de sudan e ba na say opasa say abosisin ba ko bienu bi e de siso a ni nyina no fadan home state and block factory e ba chawada sebie so sebie nya do so sikampo e na nso a won mo say woni omo eni nkomo on be hye ama what's any kakra na bibia e kama opefimu na renti ope 2 bedroom apartment 3 bedroom apartment yo pebiano home estate and block factory say wonom ebe wadom ama bibia aye kama won cha kwan e wo Kumasi Atinga Junction won ni KUMAWOOD TV na wo dan ba kum directly opposite Zero Hotel enti ofre wo ma emo bia no wonom e de bedom ama won so no stepio e bi se japadia what me do say so ho akasama stars me dan any agenda abibia meka isi bi se japadia e bi say we gi entire ye pabo de bi no enka okra ka kra ha se bi so se bi nya ye mfa nka because I always say car is a necessity. Says what we now the one I say oh one nancy makwa and so be watching. So it's a necessity, but truly it is not a Japadi though it is Japadi but senior Japadi. It should sit in Kija a cop when you stand up for when you scan repair a shape sabe pepe we sit down there a sum affable it's Hosea or Pussinyaka it's in beauty and so home estate and block factory not one more and you are done and I not pay when we are work for one more a table of secretary I saw yesterday I'm at your coach media April. You should be live on Facebook, KUMAWOOD TV GH. You're live on YouTube, KUMAWOOD TV. Sam Daku's initiative, Sam Daku's TV. So you're live. You're stand so ebema a team. Machibiano. Omojibre. Sorry, but to normal. I mean, it's nice. No action. Am I Musumunya Eche? Oma famous. Any executive producer for the show. Sam Daku, supported by Queen Hipsey, and of course the director for the show, Ochi Nurse. Well, Elections are what's now says Sanso Enna, the adorable, international Bible reader, Bakope, Echi Obia ni Hono, and Sana Memo Makwabano. The motivation Mede Mount is as simple as ABCD. You understand? Eat well. I always say that a lot of people don't eat well. But eating well is very important. We just send you to school unity in your neighbor honoma or so cutting it down. And one when me and any other dinner, Sebia son, Sebia yard, Tesuka crack, but what I say, my quiet diana and yam more. No one is out to Sidian so a shimuma, send a bear, and for fat yadibia, and for mom. Because of what I need to say, they be and one, churches also, and one. Sebio, would you aquada making a be a sebi Mr. Macomb, one move for tomorrow, about one move, where did it pin so? Make a beefy siminiata, would you be a pet, one on pure water, the chili powder, semi chili, now with the piano see the one. Now, and also some for that, and one more, and one or any more of the song. We are, if you are making, we start to air condition came, and I saw what's not a office air condition. To go and say, throughout your day, the food, everything, just like adapt. So, adapt the will be paid. See, Mr. say, simple, so when we've been poor, I want to keep swaby, good is so much, like one more like so, come on, the morning piper, no one more, at a studio home. Netty, then young one day, send a bayer embedded in Mambay, Pochon, Esana, and a young webby brave, and never. Semester say, eat well, oh, Sika, a piano, with dear, a balanced meal. Dear no, Nama cry, an inch. But what must say? Edma, we said yes, son, where my mind. Beyond ma, when did ye a Pakistan now could go back to San or call out to their not to media? We shall never so be able to Moscow. So, whom are you working for anyway? Eat well. Rather than come, say no be tea, no wooditia, upidity. Now, I'm a piano, and young one day. Let me be I very nice. My member fee, the imaginations are covered, and then why am I fee? Nations are covered.
Yeah, good, Diane.
I like your dress.
Rodin Shroud.
Yes, I like your top and down.
It's
beautiful. No, when you're somewhere, it's beautiful.
Okay.
And penny 40.
Okay.
What's that your working stay?
I
could crack a guy.
Rodin Show, you could be out.
Papa, now when you talk about some of me,
okay,
I am rushing me. But what I say, you know, you're not able. And see, you obey my rules, you know.
Yeah, good.
If you have
already had
what are ye?
Pa,
Great.
and not the diet, and so now you could boom pie. As I be if you are now with a finish come on to charity with that.
Great.
The Adela, the answer was our corners. And I dear back where friends are dear Chinese and be a compile, but before fruity, the Domini being so the count.
Oh,
Yana, my joy, I was sort of.
Oh, wow.
Yes. I didn't show my opinion.
Okay.
Now, with you, so now was up a panian and motor, that's it to jump. And you know what, Mum Pie, Bonnie, yet they say, baby, hopefully, baby, any lorify, and I am moving.
Oh,
said, yeah, 10 be a bit when you are going at the bomb pie.
My number support all fire. I must send it. Nah, I'll be back when you're Lord, and a bit of the Pamela and when you're Lord from 1 eye.
But I understand, I made the one where the chairs I could see that you nti ya da Awurade ase saa kwanto baabi afiri baabi ade oni lɔre fam pa wo ba yɛ mpa ɛbɔ ne nhyehyɛ ne sɛ wopɔn afa to yɛnim sɛ oni bi ɛbɛma obi na ade afa ka akɔ nti Awurade nhyira wɔn a ɛba ne abɛbom abɔ mpa yɛ nyina da na Awurade nyɛ wɔn kɛseɛ wɔn a Nyame nam na basa so ama nsɛnkyerɛnne si wɔn abrabom so ba wɔn nyinaa ka hyɛ Awurade animuonyam mu sɛ wɔfa saa akyɛdeɛ no nyɛ kasa ne nko a ɛdɔɔso bɛba na Awurade ma bɔ teachings ne awie ne yɛka bɔ mu bɔ mpa yɛ ho sɛ nneɛma ɛkɔ so wɔ hɔ Awurade ɔnhyira saa afoɔ no nyinaa dan yɛ mpanyimfoɔ titiri bi hwɛ yɛ everyday yɛtena sese ne yɛ amɔ wɔn deɛ ne ɔmo ani ne yie wo papa na edi kan Ebenezer Dakwa yi Adam prophet ɔne sɔfo ɔmo hwɛ yɛ saa nso na prophet Isaac Owusu Bɛmpa na ɔda mpa mu nkran nso ɔhwɛ Facebook Awurade Nyankopɔn ɛnhyira no na afei Awurade ɛnhyira prophet Nako Isaac ne prophet Ojaba Ege prophet so se fidie ɛda dabi a ɔhwɛ yɛ Adum Bishop se menka nkyerɛ so ɔkyia Rich Condos wura ɔkyia wo paa na senior contractor Kofi Job ɔne Mr. Yɛboa everyday ɔmo nso afidie paa dabi ɔno deɛ afutuo ne sɛ deɛ nko a ɔsɛ wafɛ mu nti ɔwɔ experience ɔhyia wɔ afutuo no nko a na ɔde ma Nyame nhyira no bra kɔkɔ nso ɛno a ɔsɛnde me message ɔhu sɛ me phone ayera ɔde ba ɔsɛ kɔkɔgye number ne bi mu a ɔde ama me ɔsɛ menka nkyɛm sɛ mbɛte ne nka
Bakudi how ya kasi ati wenchie no ano.
Yes, Awurade wonhyira ne ba bi obia. Na danyan ye.
Oh papa. Enti se wo frɛ me na wo de nsem.
No yɛ ntia foforo.
Matias etwaso. Papa twaso.
KUMAWOOD ntia.
Matias.
Odi adwuma wura ate ase.
Oh, Matias. Papa kuso.
Awurade nhyira wo nipa bia. Ɔgyembrɛ.
Ɛne na mpa me ho tɛ edi edi.
Biara da. Adi na video to a ro hwɛ agofo nyame sɛ Awurade nhyira de mom me ni din di akwasu agyamfu a wo hwɛ yɛ Awurade Nyankopɔn nhyira no
and mama to be my
brother yes no kids senior brother Fred ye bo anso hwɛ and Edis correction ama me ho ayɛ
oh it's beautiful
edi we good wa de pam na sɛ be yo de beba no na 4 years no ma ba ko edi nyame nhyira ani asa we do pam na frem one
and na during the frame and area code bomb Easter na den na se meba say na that ya faso o ma je ntade no and almost sending pictures am se meba
petrol na ko ho no kra ya se you nya won bi so ma petrol ya zemo
my darling
what
ya ba na ho ye
Radi adum boko
beautiful
you my
that
yes insurana ne no de mai ti dana se a insana bia achi
sa
Echia ya sofo mpanimfo una de Bible tie
sa
se dwuma na yi de ne nafo eni ehwe wo ho so anya sofo mde Adi shiro
amen
December parade Martin Dr. Bafo do hwe eni here so ba Monica Fodo Adi won shiro wo futu wo hwe de
sa
ono yiri bi chiamo ewo foriko omo mo hwe yi Facebook Ivono de George Mami Luther muna Adi won shiro mo credit grade a baby a de ehwe ami adoma ochina enso ye be bompaye ti o de atwere number no to ami adoma ochina no bre enhia o class school park oba wa ankasa wani beje because enkyerɛkyerɛ ne mpae boy de obewura no ebema wo mu ayi tu na akoda so atimi adaye ti number wo ba be 0555 736811 0555 736811 ofra ebema direction na me ofra any abepuma bompai
all right so we're moving on the show it's streaming live on Facebook KUMAWOOD TV GH we're live on YouTube KUMAWOOD TV Sam Darkus Initiative Sam Darkus TV and also yeah live intimacy wanda say o share ya or like your page na or subscribe na page wa comment na wa share na apopon so enye bi ahwe intimacy wa baby a will be like comment and then share first story making headlines on today's Koowaa Show and it's there beye na watch be semi ha many a be mienu miensantem ni na ye papa dike won semsem sorry gidi ewo Ghana ha and I say Kumasi to be precise okot na more Repa TV and of course the radio. So ekodi kita ho bia otumo se sebi na no pae ekutia last Saturday ene na hemfo na eno nam so ema sebio itwane su efri ha na amafo se papa na ompacho I want to surprise sebio ekoboy Repa TV and of course a radio Emma omo adwuma kra no mo dey to be 2 days nyakopa da roma na no isan so eti omo achew pa omo san akaja guma omo ayi omo adwuma na na am so say dey that's already ya papa odike finally or the achew pa dey mo du dey mo dey e dey akoma na sanse na you can say ono dey obekoso no waka no kre ekosida obi wo yenkuti na nayo
na mi le na mi su.
Oh, okay.
Na mi su eti ema ne ka galam se ho asem. Na me kan ya no menya attacks bebre. Ba na koso aka.
Okay.
Me se me fight Magana to the last drop of my blood.
Okay.
Eti mo amode nwura every tuo ba me so no. Mo pe da bi nyina because so onya kaweda obi a woko ma wan so se me kuno.
Onua
obi a waka se me bebo o man osumeku na ni di obi atem na no smart one for fidi so yetete na amamre ni amamre ni amane kwan so ote kokko so se mi statement na me ye no baby anya oda me twesan
Nyamisha.
ero nche se de ye no so ote kokko so ebejai ye
Down carry all kind of na fe what for
the se baby o ha me kan ya
anye
eti anura me twesan Nemo
ends there.
Nana ekoro de we beginning say that how pa ye ama ye ko no said ye Nana me na na ye fena sem so kofo onene oyina ye di candidate ja chema wasante mem
Wani.
ye sie na ni mo so e mo chi kwa sana to boko bi almo de eba e di mi fa atonfu kuro
onua
sa kuro no ana ma pama ya hene no ene asante ma ye no se me ye bone ko ati asante ma ya embedu na mi le na mi su.
Oh, okay.
Na mi su eti ema ne ka galam se ho asem na me kan ya no menya attacks bebre ba na koso aka.
Okay.
Me se me fight Magana to the last drop of my blood.
Okay. Yeah, papa. And Akasa. But therefore,
Yan
how do you see this apology?
Awurade Nyankopɔn onhyira odike
Okay.
na onhyira ewura asante hene apemso tumfo setu
All right.
ababio na menhyira no
Great.
Awurade nhyira kasafidi a wɔtena so ɛde kyɛwpɛ ɛfa so ɛbaeɛ dan a mesere ne sɛ ɔmane nso hɔ nyɛ ne kwan so no
Okay.
da meka sɛ ɔpemso tumfo setu sɛ oni mamamra yɛntena radio so TV so kasafidie so ne yɛnkyia ɔpemso ɛyɛmfonso kɛse eti asante ahenie mu oduru fi sɛ wopɛ sɛ ɔka biribi saa kyerɛ ɔpemso a ihyira no woka sɛ Awurade onhyira ɔpemso ɔte aseɛ sɛ ɛyɛ nkyia because yɛntimi ntena radio so nto nkyia ɛma ne ɔhene emu Awurade nhyira deɛ yɛ supremo nti no baabi abɛtena de ama ne ɔhene bia no
Okay.
ɔgyidi sɛ ɛfiri agya ne nkyɛn
Okay.
enti saa na wayɛ ɔpemso mfonso a yɛntena radio so ɛmfa nsere mfonso no ɛyɛ ne nkorabata bi ba sɛ wotu anamo akɔ na wo ma na hunu sɛ wakoma mu pa na wofiri ka sɛ oyɛ sorry no na afei de ɔde afa afidie so enti sɛ osuo no ntimi nkɔ hɔ mpo because of nsɛm a ɔmde kan yɛ no a ɔsɛ ɔpɛ mpanimfoɔ akuku da ma ɔmo ka bi ewu mu na wɔde saa adwaatoɔ no si wɔn so ɔmtimi kɔ ahemfie kɔsrɛ sɛ ɛnam ne ahemfo de yɛ odike ne nti ɛyɛ nim sɛ tia mmara so ɔbɛba manhyia ahemfie abra yɛnyi saa deɛ ne mfie so ɛwɔ no hu wɔ ne kasa bi ɔkan a ankɔ yie ho nti wɔsi yɛ megyina nanan mu na yɛnsrɛ
Okay.
na yɛwura wa wode hyeɛ no no fa kyɛ no afei mu yi firi ne so wie a ɔno abɛtu anamo aba na ɔba abɛka sɛ si ɛhɔ na sɛ wowie na wotena afidie so atu anamo ɛte sɛ ya na asa afata yɛka ne sɛ obi nti aseɛ because onim ahemfie nsɛm odike na de onim nyame kan firi sɛ ofira ahemfie enti yɛbɛsrɛ so wɔnhwɛ no wɔnyɛ ne saa kwan no so na nhyɛ yɛwura animonyam because said you na na ye hene wotimi nya akokoduo di ne tigi akyerema eto ho ema asante said you no e ka na bakwasemu yi na nka ne na nate ase wo obi kaka satwitwe bi tia ne na no wo de nkrafa TV so de ba enye ne de asa ne dia danse se bire bi beba sa ni monyam ya bi beba beto wabobo ano so nipa fa sa akwan ne so na de pa wo kyewa enye wo de tie nyina ye hunu kwampa na ne yemfa so na mfa ni monyam hye emra
na munya ade nyina
o ya ade aye ni nyina fefefe
ne kwanso
ene ne kwanso
1 Corinthians 14
se ye hunu ni sa obi abo beto ne yem na ade bi aye ye be ya asomdie tie be se odi kese wo hunu right channel no mfa so na ma TV na ntimi nyafe as we nya right channel once na about TV ani mesre no onfa kwampa ne so na mfa ni monyam hye emre ono ane kra ebi ya meka se onipa wo yi wahene hi ana wo hye wahene bufuo no ya na sebe oye ne kra boni twa konkro asem no no edine ye hye wahene bufuo so nim se bi wo mu anya dia fa kwampa ne so eden ya unim panyina wo ko pem so ani ma yeye sebe opem so wo agya wo no wo na wo no fa busua ni bi so na omo nkogina na omo nsre na nya akọ no na nkirima nsua yesa ekina menye opim so kasetia na makati odike kuro fra himfie ba ye TV so di meso metena TV so basa na ni monyam ekura asante ya di tuturi fom to onim mra ne de omfa so na enkure de akire nsuo sa aho kakra ne hunu se eno de ofom no wankọ a enye yie onya so de na mafidie so no na afi ye ka ho amepe eye no kure no anabama mu a wo se kire se edanse bo a obeka
oni hu ti se
jatamu bia ne hu eti se jatamu bo
ni oyi na bufu
onipa wi wa hina bufu no
oye ne kra
na oye ne bone
Proverbs 20 verse 2
eti ebe sere se odike bete sa asem wi ase na aboa emom no kra ne de we all stand for truth de no de obi antwena no wo fom so onya ika ekro politicians ni mo omfa nwo ekro na nanom ahemfumu a omfa nwo ebatima mufu a ehia enokra de ya abotire enokra eno onipa de bonus na otimi nante kwa akire wa abrabo mu enokra di tuo obi eno woka no ko nya no hotototo aya ye mu bituo ya brepa course obesi uso tama wada ona uzo ompuma ade kurakura wo ye ma hye oto ya alert na wotun ansa na wo mu an nyame asa yi se hu ni nyina ato akọ ye fam edinokra de won kanya hotototo ba wasi dinokra kwesi wudam
nsura mani a be
bia nsura mani a obehunu biara
honam de mu
honam no ebe twu mu bia kwada afiase na obeso mo are
ambe huna mani
obehuna mani
dinokra kodo
so ni nyina mu no dinokra kwesi owu
na be ma nkwa
na omma nkwa abotiri
de owaso
onipa owaso
mani ntie de
na ontie nya honhom no de bre asafo
de obedi nkuni
na onipa bi obedi nkuni mu no prenu no de enka no
Revelation chapter 2 verse
na sa atiasefo wuo ne de ubewu bi demom Kristo wu a wode beba biem ewo na temu wati no wo de enka ho eduase dinokora no kosi wudam na amane beba ohaw beba odika amane a wo fam bi ni se wontimi nhyeda na fie ma no wonto no ebi ni se ogwasia bi twi tuo ko ya because of all kan ko wan hwe no kure no na otimi ko se ye kwa ye de bone eno ya amane ni bia hunhu beba wo so wonna mamoto be chesi kakra na hu bo wo da fie ase obi bo pru wo be from Kristo si ni nyina mu dinokora fakosi da ubewuo eze odi nokure wie wuo nti wosi dikosi wo na ubenya nkunim abotiri papa si ubetwa nkontompo na behirihiri de kan nokure gina pinti ti nokure ye nokure eye duro nokure sawo yare nokure ma ho ye den nokure ma na ma wunsuro emom nokure edi wuo nti wode onya fasa adwuma ne pe titum za se ide wo kam obusuafo nti asempa atwo ne de esisa wo ba bi gina beboa ametuga na fu ye nyina yefo se ade efe no nokure no na damfo ne kama nokwafo so ye ne bone a kama mfa nchew kama best friend pa ne nokwafo go nokwafo brema na djuma so te anka nipa o so otuotuo omo ka no nokurafo timi ka asem che omo omo dane omo kwan ontuo omo ka njem ono so bre so te nti so widi unu so de bone ye nokwafo a wo de wo ba wo so a wo nhwehwe nti nipa kama pe na asem pa ye nipa o ka nokure yes any panya kan se kama nya obone a boze kama de bone no edi wachi di ebesere se unu so obi kan ko na mfunsuo mpo na aba osunya nkasa kire bi obi anu opa futu ho oye ne sa eboa ema niema ekwa nanim tote di ebesere se me betake ibebo utuo me yemecho me kobo no because wa kan okore esere so obi bo fa busa so ye den eso ka kire wo se yenti amesuma ne se wasigala nse amansuo ani ayefia no bisa no question se ohine MPA minister yi first na wo betena kuta ni nsuo ne ti sei ni nipa kan ase nkobuni onu mienu ane hia ma da kuro no be ye fe oro nipa nya ne obedi a na ne wura free bibia ni nua mpra ni nua wu no no survival mesira matwemi a wadi mi se omamfa so mmra ne matwemi so mesira matwemi a woni nimbia se oma nimbia ntra ne matwo so awurade prepare something se wo ye matwo ba no okoma ni kuro be se kuro ni betumpo no okoma ni kuro so obi ntimi mesori ntia kuro no ento nipa bia obeye matwoni a kanya bone ne mo fight tia ne ma awurade ompe na ma matwesem no adimo ndu ya Samson ebre ka last time na wu na so ode humpo no osrefili osoro se mama hoode fufuro biem na ma metiri ne nimfu na me ne matamfo nyina humum awurade ye nkoro ne awurade apam ye great mesre matwoni bia wotie mi se na me ma hoode ankata fagimi ngata fadi nkwasi asem fatua na ma osoro te ho a ne kria ni bede sa de ode che wo who make good use of it awurade nshiro ni pa bi otie
awurade nshira obi bia it of course Nyankopon nshira papa odi of course we are live on Facebook KUMAWOOD TV GH we are live on YouTube KUMAWOOD TV Samdakus Initiative Samdakus TV so live enti o share you like our page, you subscribe, and then of course you comment and share. Now after so enye be a share a whole lot of stories and apa. Then the other two and say apparently got to so what to when ye be as well. I came order if I am right. Yeah. CBS I think actually they to be precise.
Okay.
Yeah. What to so unlawful. Na FDC stay with us in the back here.
What do you mean?
Omani nyina Abuja omoye yi. Uhe mani nipa bese enum na akọ omo krechi ya na ebusua aka ni nyina abu mfe de okọ mia bibre a omo taaye no. Eti no maka abu ma omoye yi no. Eti uhe ma tufu enti eni ahemfofo nyina eti omo chaache tutu omo ntoma. Ebe pie mu wo eyi na se. Na eno na branche bi omuchire ma nya de se o tikedi ho anase obi nim no wo kedi akonten so ho no nya de se ho no obo ne bra eto mu ya se abranche uta itu pump action gun yibi ode ene nam ho no no mbi sa se na we de eba ne se no wo ye de ana wo bokani mu bi ho ban se de se ahemfukopie mu wo afache bi ase anase dwabo bi ase aya na omutimi ekitatu etoto ehwewim na omode eya amamre ni amane no na omudwin se kan eye o se kwadwo forcing na otrema obepie mu wo edwabo na se no na nam se ahemfo ebeba bepie mu wo nti omode ohina wo achimkede a ohwe ekire sisia ni din ede osaberima garity ni di otoso mienu na omode ni nkonya one na ahemfo nkoto nyina nkonya besi eseso betire da bi omo bo eja na so mo ya afacha na se yi a eya na ohene no ekotena no eho na no omo nkonya no akosisi omo twen se ohene no beba kwansi no ohene no nso yi nti a nanka oba betena so ne manfo ana so ne mpanifo eni eyi no nam se magin kaka se nipa no edoso nti ne nipa wo ho nso doso pa omo ba be jamu omo adofo no ni omunua no omabusia akra omunua no ekikra na wabra eye ohene no ba be di ho no mo ne mpanifo na abrantie ya e freno o se kwadwo forcing editu ye hwe ohene so sese woni na okokotena eye esa no so anata akonya no so a obebo nituo na enkofo dwen se agro bi na wodi anase threaten ehunu bia na o threaten keke so hini be kata on kata ni abranti di etu ehwe wiem se de broni fe no warning shot otutu bebre aye kan kra yi hu ano otutu tuo na ma afede omo wo ejabo na se anase yie na se die obia prade ne kran kwanje ni obia bo ejani free eyie na se eno na mpanifo se de bi abranti yi die nyambransem one enya de so munyim no mpatam ho na afi so nya de se panimu bi asoma no se o ma medi dwuma bi eva embo eyie no nkango ne ntidie no waba oyi Any almost free a police for war at some Kedionum, and almost dimlika, eba be PMO a honum. I brought you the police for you, which are 9 years, Pabam, or dinner yet or can with an answer. Or my for honor, it's me, Ebuama, almost on the page here, a name, or Modena Kudina court. Our mother said, or Mubato Tunano, no about the trim, the antiport. Or the year pump action gun, about the team who ye or say, could you forcing? Now, Uchema will be team war, a gabon national. None of them say I am for up about the team or
running Uncle Ponja, a Jim Cadivo, or Muntu Papa or Motu.
Okay.
Na yana me question yana say a branch in Udi Juma Bay. A day in here say unya to protect na ho. When ye to home crata the man.
Okay.
Why ya man dia so odi to. Bibin din obeje to na hunu sa de no kwa de obeto. Emum ni dibere ne say the position ye say address ne ye say. Di adwuma no odi sika say ne dana kan so ma wo susi e be ne bone. Na montuo ne say.
Okay.
Kwa be ne fa so unya tuo no. Ehfa na okoto no na ehfo na register man. Mo register na mo se won fanye say. Ebi ono no registration no beje say ye bi aba okoto wase akosoro. Yenim ne boti for the tray. Nti no. Aya bibi say ne de. Omo chi no mo bisa no. No kire kwan ya fa so nya atuo no. Etimi kire raising ntia na otutuo. Ene adekontu okwa yie na se a. Migidi say beboa. Ebi ko wa yi aso nya hende sa akromfo oba ho. Eno no sane agu wie ma ma omo hunu se tuo wa aranda. Ebi a wo anti bi nti no be ni baboni ni ama. Atote na oti ase abo nse se ne na aduma na no ye. Enti no ye do mo court die. Court mo munya bua na ebusa na num nsem. No otimi kire reason nti otu ana mo ete sa dia. I believe say ebe hunu ne wo say ye ka kire no. Na ono aso atimafa. Se bentuma pafura age afutuo na aboa no. Na mekọ wona nyame na manko besere mabunu se tomre bia enya ne yepe ne yede ahokoto amane mu
na osire yo na se
nti ho na osire yo na se
kire de nti amane aba
kire adekro nti asa amane aba ye nso wadwuma ene se
ehe na ufi
na ehe na ufire
na ufire o ma be na unji ne he oka kire ne se
ana ye na ka se
me ye hebru ni
me de me ye hebru ni
na me sore ewrade osoro nyankopon ye epo ni
osoro nyankopon a waye puya ebo asochi ni asase
ni papi suru
ono na mesom no ntie ba asa ma ni papi ye de esuro no
Jonah chapter 1 verse
se omo musa ye na question a omo hunu ne mota ye nti kura ho omo hunu mota ye nti na asochi ne bo. So sometimes you need to ask questions before you can conclude a certain issue. Nessa, obey mistake. Eye dia na ekoso asoche ne de ebo de ye hunu se ebo. Ne mom dia na ama asoche ne bo kire o kire bibi mu kire wansa na obu ato yem. Etuo ne de watoto no kwambone so. Ne mom dia na me watu tuo se questions ama. Ye ntimi nti ade no ase. Ukobu a obebu angwase asem. Bi kura na no wa yo hene na chidi ni. Yenim se na nakwa adwaba se etutuo masabe ekwan mu da wo me yewunu so obrimpo bi apie enti reason ne pa ye benya unless abrante na kasa wo court wo se bitu atoto no asekire nie ye nipa asmasi enti ko ba bi se say na meye na ye nko se mra no so se saa na then ye hunu se ye bona baso ana ye bua ne
di obu asemansa na
wate bia wo pese obu asemansa na wati asem
ye jimisam ne ani
wo se ni pakro ne ye jimisam ne ani wo ma
Prof 18:13
enti ayo pen mu ansa na twen se ye nko ni nko tie mu ansa itie mu bia
ye baba
ya ha asekira kan se ne ese fata se ye kan because wo tie tuo ni ya wanto amu wada sani bia wantin no obintri bia so
at morning
obi beto warning shot na nam ye wo krama mpokwa ansa na aboa krama mpo no se komo ne no a no ohunu se obi nam da bia ni kwase di pakro fa wo ana ohunu se wotamfo bi ba wo so wo bo nkaye krama po bi a wo reason ba nkozi se obete reason ase na beka se na abo ewagimi ana woti asem na se edi ebesere se ye nyina ye nya aboto yam ye ma ye bo nto ye yam na ye mfa ne nkokoto no won kire reason ti a won shoot ne course eso wo kire wi a ye behunu ana onipa wo kuratu na police for ba ya wudane ne nipa asa akɔkyere wan tutu amu nipa koro ozo hunu sɛ nya wudie ɔte bibi ase bibi nti no yesa because my bɔne na abɛpɛ me akyena me kuratuo dia ne wa wo ba no begu kuku manya akonya ja wadi asɛm na ase ɔte me kuratuo ama ne nyina mu nipa ti makɔ na nim akɔkye ne dia mi so anya na adwen so wɔkɔ baabi a report ne nkɔfo yɛ ɔma ne yehu ya akɔ no ne yɛbɛsrɛ ne sɛ yɛntwɛn na yɛnkɔ court ne mmara if you be dura yɛwɔ no
all right, so many messages are about, make I be me, and Sebi, Nayakofa, a first break in a bar, and then of course the third story continue from there. I have this one for me. If we say good morning, my sweet Diane, and of course your crew, good morning. Before you came back to say that, please kindly share this video to friends and family to be blessed. If I say sweet Diane, I love you and your crew, we love you right back. Roslyn Meza says good morning and peace be with you all. Thank you. Martin Honorable Abedi is watching you live from Opwasim Branting Clothing. Okay, it came twice, so I'm skipping it. I'm skipping one to the next message. Yvonne Ode says good morning, Sir Diane. Please send my greetings to offer Aunt Rejuman for me. But he did not insult him. I think say Okasafa Papa Udike apology or Diaba Anopeya or say, but he did not actually insult him, but he only said the truth. So there is no need for Udike to apologize. Augustine Tabi says that good morning to you all. If you're watching us, please thank you. If I says that well spoken bishop. If I says that I support Bishop, well, ma Winko, na Winko from the Facebook, na me ba. That story making headlines on today's Koowaa Show. No, get back to us so Eddie Amamo. Stay with us. We will be back.
Yo, manager, this is the nation's uncle, offer Bishop Lumba. He has in our family. A Koowaa Media na Ocean will KUMAWOOD TV so no. O man no krasa wom. To me bon kwabini se anoma wo mo fa mani abere. Me simu nyina mo nka me ho. E wo Koowaa Media so, e wo KUMAWOOD TV. Ni nka no kure nkyere nipa. O ba mpanyin yamfonso aka no kure kire no. Sa na minister yamfonso o hia no kure. Na nanom ahemfo apolisifoɔ asogyafoɔ obi bia wo fa kura me yebɔ ne me hia no kure bo me ne yɛnka no kure wo man mu e wo KUMAWOOD TV
ofa kwaba
yeah cool
ese we bai ofa de ho sɛn
jade ya to kwabena asa bi wanya respect bi ama na ɔka afɔ kyerɛ no etim beto yakonodu no nso agi the same phone say Ghana politics football awurade nsani na da bi am ka twem se mo mu ni asɔfo na chi de ani abeko
ɛnti prophecy no wonyi no nsɛm a agent ha ɛwɔ Ghana ne social media nyinaa na yɛso akeka bom ɛne yɛso yɛka bi ama wɔ so wate make sure sɛ bɛhɛ Koowaa dwumadie ɛyɛ adwoada ekosi fiada ɛwɔ KUMAWOOD TV na ɛbɛyɛ dedede mu host Diane ɛna me de evre mu
KUMAWOOD TV amansane yena yedimu
I am the nation's uncle of Bishop Lumba. Home estate and broke factory. The power of Buano. A big biara assembly opens a woman fee. Now, if you want bosses say, and we say yes, I'm part. This will be fee. A home estate and broke factory. And a dead sir and ye every war. Where estate are a woman say, so boom, defending now. Yan ya dano. Ya poama baby, ebia no ni adaje, ebia wa manone o wa control, o prefia yes ye wi ato because unyi obi ani a oba besi eye home for so a ye beboa ama estate tiapo ye nim se sika pa ya ye nim fifire ho asem ai so odwuma ye ni bia na katu asem e modwuma ye nim fifire mi wona wona senti no wo fa me ami ko gina ho bia ye si da ehwe hu se ye the block papa dey cement akodan sebe ya woto a unu wonder there are a lot of estate okota enje ne nsu aminu ato okota enje na enwo epurugu ade de ye gina ehese enyem ekotote amode ni wom ede ma se woto a ehwo ni munyam hye ene hu nhira ebe ye dia nyam nhira se wo fa number de gu ase na ne home for edins awoso eye home estate and block factory afensu biem ebia wa amanone o wo Ghana o prota to prota dey prota eni echi prota ni ba bia traffic wa enu nti ne free home no efie ne ye dia plot bia wo pe wa santimemu ene nkura atwa mo ahia de ebentom ne aboa wo na ya ma wonsa akabi ye dia efre se ye se gina mo hene ne ye list bibia de man asase kakraka ya mitwa kire oni nyina asase kakraka ni nyina eda tech ya tech kuma se tech ya tech area ya ne wo brane ma obi bo so da form afenso wato plot ni bi o amaname wotimi mesi fie nzizo sanse woni obi a wogini di wodi skamba agusuafo no mbodi enamfo apawa wo fa mi gina ma wo se bra home estate and block factory hwe ye company ne on company kasia ena hwe on workers no bia bo adwuma no wo bana ma ye order so fa me 20,000 of blocks ye calculate ne de ho bo ama utu ato accounts ni a show 2 weeks 1 week 1 month it dependent orders are your ebi kwa baba na otira ye na order bia ni ho a ene ne ye ma be 3-4 days ye be twa blog no ye ni nyina egu cars ni ye dia kugu plot ni so afi wa po bi a wogini di se o ma ye se egu so keke na ye hu video di a kire wo afi wo say indeed o do ho abokupa in fact so twa blog no gusu wie mpo ni ye de kona wo gi ye di a yetimi gina je wo dan plan ya se si fie type a wo pe di ama because ene ni papa ehun enna ni anu kwan ye uyo odwuma ye ni bi upe fie mu a ahan e de adwuma udi bie hospital udi fa workers akotenam oba besi eye home estate and block factory so a ye be ma ofie ni bi efe nso wo fie ni bi upese nkofo me han uni ba bi de fa fabra ye bo ho dawudo de ma ye de ama han e de ama na bibia akotote de ama open dan han semi room self contain dobro de dan bi a open bi a na besi eye home estate for so ye be di wani e de wawuda ba bi pa because we are from home so we believe home brefie na bra bedi oni brefie be bossese brefie be to asase brefie e be handa na wo ube ye hia e number de gu ase no kurase munti ya ha se obi edi nsawoso obi edi ni dwuma wa ha e jama asase pa manso na ho ye manda mpa ahmodini wo ya ma blog papa se bisment akom usa ye ho a wayira fre na ye no ni nsawoso makra ba
odifo ene odifo na ye bo awemfo ba da wote se wo falumba ne tabo ni din ono ene na mebe mu akọ na okotie ne numa asem simape na wo hunu se upe baby pa upe difo bi de wo akobata no a ye wadifo mu ahodo minimo hawo ko e hawo o hwa abodamfo wa ha ene ya ba ha wo hunu ni nyina na oborofo oni bie papa na basa so na ene ji se me wo ne se o yare na ba na kache a ono ama baby a wo beda na wama wodunane adi kosi se wo ubenya ahoto na wo ababa bedi adanse nyame nsa wo ne so niam a wo ye buradwe ne entiase so koso na wo pepere bia kompae body a eja pekrum ene ewo se woko adiji se bewo ni se bosumi bia wo ye all 91 tiba bia wo hye bia wetima prepare na wa baby bosumi bia ifia da to so mienu no ye no na fa number na egu afidie ni so na frɛ papa yenko ne he odifo no etie na num kasa ketua na bo se wo te na num kasa mpa wo bo ebeto yam yenko he ne mra ye fami na ye bo akofo awiemfo ba no japekuru adum no nyame de ma ye kwa wo se ye mfa nchapa media medwuma media ne se me nyame som ne me sofodie nyina me se mehwe nyanka nisia mobbo wafo bodi ana mehwe wo na wo ba no so nya nunku anti ese me mo nyame asem na wo nom na wuti na wo meye wo ba ni nyagidie se Obama na se wanka se mu problem na be dey e be sofo gidie ni mu a unso kristo ni jase obi o dey owo gidie wo a wo hwe me no wo a wo hwe me se sia wo hwe me wo na me na wo ka sa asem bra ani achinye difo ho na si difo ni ho ba bia me wo a olumba e be pie me so no ye ka che wo be yo ho no be ju nsem mi se wura mu ba bi na de beda ahoto be dia ba bia wo beda dia wo betina aduane a wo bedie wo die wo ni hweku amese wo de mbra enye achinyi bomode aba na abedu ha wo behu nyame ani munyam ene ne kese me number wo hwe ma kira kwa adu nyame 0243 35 65 83 bra na abedu ha wo behu nyame ani munyam ene ne kese amen.
KUMAWOOD TV or probably home TV, yeah. And you know, so here home TV is the same thing. Here KUMAWOOD TV is the same thing. Of course, we're streaming live on Facebook, KUMAWOOD TV GH. We are live on YouTube, KUMAWOOD TV. Sam Darkus Initiative, Sam Darkus TV. So yeah, live it's wish no one like a page no now what subscribe on for phone so any be a shame. That story making headlines on today's Koowaa Show and it's a better and same one I shall one a story about for say what we Ghana has say with fake documents and penny for this about they can say documents or the real mono any fake any agenda. But eventually President Koowaa His Excellency Nana Dankwa about cancer or say IGP and in penny for one one support some baby prosecuting I shall want young could see
of my full support to the Attorney General in his determination to prosecute Aisha Huang and her collaborators, who apparently insist on flouting our laws against galamsey and illegal mining. I expect, if they are found guilty, that the courts will apply the full rigor of the new amended Act 995, which has increased substantially the punishment for breaches of the law. May I of my full support to the Attorney General in his determination to prosecute Aisha Huang and her collaborators, who apparently insist on flouting our laws against galamsey and illegal mining. I expect, if they are found guilty, that the courts will apply the full rigor of the new amended Act 995, which has increased substantially the punishment for breaches of the law. May I of my full support to the Attorney General in his determination to prosecute Aisha Huang and her collaborators.
All right, and His Excellency Nana Dankwa Akufo-Addo and it's in kind of president of the Republic of Ghana, or say Attorney General, I want full support, say the prosecuting Aisha Huang.
There are running Uncle Ponshan and other Dankwa Akufo-Addo. I won't share a year. Baby, you call a proba interview. Na Ghana Maranso so Radin Shasi a did no correct than a tro. Because a tro Magana Mrayan shed them ye. They told me be no more secure for justice, say, now you cram me. The Banisa will be in the tune fire so. Been timber phone fire Japadia, my yana, I want to into your million side, Diane and Yaji. So, tell faithful. So, faithful Bumunas and Motiano, Titico from a man said, "Quaff, Yans of 4 years, dear Yans and Nidia, and not Yans, ye dear, verse 21, verse 11. It is so for the former Banama and Tianoa, and Titiquana promise almost to Bayano, or more Yansanda. Where the catch of your deep one than a watcher, much of your deep one a Jana Manaco. No, for the Fuaza, baby, I'm not some of the betchen at Amoamaso. And I had about where my who and another Dankwa Akufo-Addo want to say. Diane said, I'm quite probably. I'm here, Musanza, shall want ye. Now, some median or can't find one. Think we need to be catch.
Oh, I don't think so. I think they definitely know will become.
Diane. I dear see bear 3-4 days. Now, quite probably interview, be your interview with Busashim and son, what can we are? Now lockdown or no one prepare me country and
but was it wrong to Abekana? Why?
Says a Musanko found.
Oh, Bishop.
Oh, Bishop say. Oh, Bishop say. Tia camera. And two nam so then dance up a boy and a young can now KUMAWOOD. You would have fair Tnasiano. When young Crom Fukro. And what did you in Atam from Sana Garam says you are. Omo mu sensu no opoti binu mu tuo mu sensu ready asawo mu nyina Yɛteɛ na adwuma wura bɛdi anya atɛ moteteɛ me hu mfasoɔ bi a wɔm so na wɔwɔ ne abɛfa kamera ebi si bi a mɛyi obi adi mpɛm kwasi asɛm bi a na yɛagye saa ne mguaseɛ yi amene ɛna kyena obi akɔ wia kamera na ɔno deɛ yɛkyere no adwuma wura hu wɔamfrɛ meeting ankare ami ehu sɛ kurɔmfoɔ no wɔ ma fɛ de akyena ma yɛso yɛ mu anto yɛm so ohu yɛ de respect ama yɛ ekosi sɛ yɛn ne yɛbɛtena ase ɛne yɛfrɛ no na ɔbaa ɛne yɛbusa ne sɛ edi mpatsɔ wɔkye kurɔmfoɔ ndaa wodi atam deɛ na wɔka afa ho ansa na wɔka sɛ mema yi mu support mpatsɔ wotu adeɛ na abɛ meda ase
deɛ ɔka obi anim
onipa bi a wɔka obi anim
akyire no
obenya
animonyam asere deɛ ɔde ne tɛkyerɛma dɛfɛdɛfɛ
wonya animonyam kyɛn nea wɔde ne tɛkyerɛma ɛdɛfɛdɛfɛ
na deɛ ɔkata mmaratoɔ so no
onipa mmaratoɔ wɔkata soɔ
ɔnyɛ prɔmprɔm
onya prom
na deɛ ɔka no ogyae no
onipa a woka no ogyae
ɔno na ɔbɛhu ne mmɔbɔ
ɔno ana awurade hu ne mmɔbɔ
Proverbs 28:24
why do you want to wait for us to speak before you come and speak once you know it's your work dan ya wonim sɛ anɔpɛ bia na wo hostu ɛyɛ dɛn na wotwɛn ma yɛmfrɛ wo fie sɛ dan ya taama so bra ansa na ɔba bɛka kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ dɛn ya ananka wonim sɛ mɛba dan ya na nneɛma bi kyia o na ɔma yɛ mpanimfoɔ nti woka maka
nisuade hunu ni hɔ a
sɛ anisuade hunu ni hɔ a
ɛma yɛ bisi basa
ɛma ɔma no yɛ bisi basa
nanso deɛ ɔbu mmara no
na onipa bi a ɔbu mmara no
nhyira no
no
Proverbs 29:18
na do kaka sɛ I'm not sure sɛ first a yɛkyerɛ ne yɛdi pɔtoo no akɔdi mmako ɛm sɛ ɔmo mmaa no baabi kɔtɛɛ ɛna ɛm sɛ ɔkɔgye n'ahome na mmerepɛ mu ɔde aba means yɛkyerɛ ne first wote wankasa nti na ɔmtumi yɛ ne saa ɛsɛ onim wei di ade na wei nso wotwɛ ma yɛbɛyɛ wo interview ansa na waka ho asɛm
ɛnti sɛ ɔtwɛ ma yɛyɛ ne interview ansa na ɔka ho asɛm na ɛyɛ wrong
yes yes
I said okay. I didn't say anything again.
Wo ba akɔdi bɔne wɔ sukuu ma nyamana nsɛm sukuu dɛm ne akɔ feefee no yɛne no akɔ da tikyafoɔ nyinaa hunu abɔ amaneɛ wo ba ne baafi ase matea no wodaa sɛ wokɔka kyerɛ tikyafoɔ sɛ mabo no na ɔmbɛyɛ dɛ hu sɛ watea no
ɛsɛ sɛ watea no wɔ fie ɔnsan kɔ sukuu ɔnkɔbɔ tikyafoɔ no amane
ɔmo na de bɛtoo w'anim deɛ sɛ ɔmo hunu mfasoɔ a aba so sɛ ɔba atan papa ose
ɛnyɛ unnecessary
dan a wotu esiesie ni afro sɛ na kɔ atea yɛ nneɛma ho de bi ampa kyɔtwe na so nipa pro ti bi fɛ wɔn na mane ana bɛm na hunu sɛ ofie discipline wɔ hɔ yɛmfa saa nneɛma ni ɛmfa mu fitire wodi asɛm na se ti sɛ nneɛma ho de na ɔnyɛ biem na yɛ hunu wɔ baatan na ɔso mfa so ɛne yɛ anim onyama ekura wɔ sɛ bibi si a wɔsi etimi bɔ amaneɛ ise leader na sɛ asɛm apie na ofisa asɛm no how bi wɔ mu apɛ sɛ ɔhyɛ ɔmo nkura mo yɛ ne yɛ sɛ ɔmo yɛ a ɔmene sɛ yɛyɛ mɛka nsa no waka ɛyɛn ana ɔntoto nneɛma yi o na nti ɔbɛba fie o ɛsɛ ɔbɛ fie nkɔmmɔ bi wɔ wodi bia ne yɛrefɛ o saa mmere no ɔwɔ chance ne ɔso ɔyɛ bia ɔnyɛ ɔno wɔnim sɛ Ghana yɛti ase yɛni ntira 1.5 year pɛ no ɔte fie sɛ ex president MPP ne bɛnya bi onyom na enya wɔ no ade ɔbɛtena fie onim nti wobɛtena fie na nkɔmmɔ bi wodi wano bɛtum na nkɔfoɔ ba bɛrefɛ wa ɛnyɛ wo dɛ nti nnɛ no wowɔ biribi adua ɛnɛ wowɔ biribi asɛkyere ka na nanana menim no nyɛ ɔna mehu ni
ade wa sister
baa
like how
nanana no ɔyɛ justice no nanana ne nkwa asɛm ɔmfa ne mfikyire no nanana na asɛm yɛ nahi no nyɛ ɔno na ne mehu ni ɛsɛ di asɛm no bɛda no aboboa nso ne kan yɛ ne dene Rollins abere so kumi prɛko demonstration nanana na ɛdi nkan a Captain Smart dim bi ɛnɛ captain da so yɛ n'adwuma so nipa asɛm fo yɛ nahi so nana deɛ wasesa because wabɛyɛ president ne bi nti no but obi yɛ no na wo nte aseɛ nneɛma bi wotumi hyɛ abufuo ma mobilize nipa na mo amatu ho amo saa mɛ so yɛnim sɛ nyɛ yi sɛ wotu Rollins so sa nso wɔyɛ
okay
akyira akokodura na ekura no ɛne nea no ɔpɛ sɛ ɔyɛ ɛde bɔ ɔman Ghana ɛnɛ yɛde bɔ na bɛto court mu a afei wo nhunu sɛ deɛ onsi nyɛ bɔ no sɛ wontu sɛ womfa wo nan mu sɛ wohuri bɔ no sɛ womfa mpempem wo ɛna ekura wɔ yɛbɛsrɛ no yɛ na nyɛ ɔtan wayɛ bi pɛ yɛ nim sɛ obɛtumi ayɛ ti yɛ de anigyeɛ ɛto saa aba is a ne uma usumana sesanse na na yenim no ayebesa aka
na mutum rekanu
wana
si mu kwan se muntie no kure no
wana si mu kwan se mamuntie no kure
e moraka ketwa bi na kamara ni
moraka ketwa bi na tibi be kamara ni nyina
modie mani damoso ewe Awurade mu se
Awurade mu ni abatuo mu any politics mu se
mo nyunyin bibia fufuro biara
anka modie mu bai mu madwundwi bibi fufuro biara
se medie no na de oha mo no otisen
nko
ubenya temu
wontimi nya atemu
nti e bra fatai
ese fatai
mo mienye nipa nyina yi
na ye nipa nyina yi
Galatians 5:7
ni etumi amudi bedimi no etu asha wanya mumfani no ni etuti mamni amobe masojafo abo no etu asha momana ni mundum eye wiase abrabo ado na ho nko ade ya mekank manka wase na mwan de ba wudi mlika di no oye Ghana ni de hye ono kwa de no onya mfuzo so obie business wa fa kwa paso na wo huatima be wura yekuru no so nam kwa paso sa abenya ye card nyina e de ye adwuma branse so wo ye asa adwuma nso asa Ghana ono de o twense ye ne meka nsa no abeka bibia fa na wa ya ye ba ya sibia ya akọ
then you rest your case
you see tidanya mesre pa wa yo hini ntonza meka se nyina president wo hini timi hunu a mi si onza majopa ani awoye ono wo se
ba ye di na bi chi de beto opeso woka
ono a woni se na awoye enye no anim sa na mo wuti won na tipi no bi yesi yankwa be kasa dadaada enye ya me mpesa ade no so ni papa ye ka kira afoforo ba wo mu ntimi bia papa no wo brem nyame wo mpeni pa wo tisa ana
ni papa na wonya no
oni papa oni papa na wonya
e
boni ma
James 4:17
tinana nhwe yi nyame bubefu no nhwe yi oni papa ya ahweye ne mfa asomdie mra na kuro ni mfa ne ntoma pamfura as president why ye bi pe ni enim so betimi aye adanse wo ogu ade ni aso ya mana ye freedom bi aso ya mobi afa ne ho adi ese no obi ye na ye wahi na akire se wo ade no ahode ne ade de ma wo na ahode na teko ni next time pa any next time obi ben kan wasem bi no ahwa ye benya wo
so
ibenya bi dia refer yes mampanyi dada ka asem bi sa na ne ho ahindi nipa amfa ne wo pase unni bi da oka nya abotre se ampano ni nya woka no ni pressure guni dwemdia no odum kane ano nso da ba na ne ho ye hindi no ya ante ase sa na ne abeto mu nso ya mpe ye besere ye nyina ye nyase ye kotena fie nkomo bi ba bi ene fie kobuza fofo nkomo aba politics a no obi ani agye mfa to kasa wie so na obi akoma ato ne ye because oba no odo kakra be fa ne nsase ba odua ne ye ani gie mo tisana mese sesrensi na nado dan kwakufu ado se ondua ne ye ani gie mo na 1.5 de tete he ya kamene no a kakakra kai be pridi mpa se me kotena fie ne ebo midi aka asem bia me kra be me
dimpa na sese oye
tutu anya dimpa
esina hunya de
esina so be nya ho pa
nani munya
yesina dwetani ni sika
Proverbs 22:1
ade be ya nso be kwa kotena fie as president nani munya mu ni ho ukasa ya ne ni pe be twa mpoa ukasa ya ne ni pe be refill e ba ne sa wunnu ani je ho ntow the message ne say half akai die year and half yi die onto bi bi antonkuni no mercy for cripple no mo hunu na memo ni ye se be ye obetena fie ni obeba no betima kana simbi yesa oba wo ntomu ko ka ye mu bi die be refill e ma se mu metwa
anya dia be kasa ofani twa
dabi ntina ne ma ma ntimi nkasa kase no kam de ni dum so be refill
eno katai but it's not part of it
se na mika se wan onzo ye nipa no so ne die ba kono no ompe kasa ne bibiri sa
ana
yes ango no kwa mfa nche no aha because ne bre so ne timi ka che se otwan funu nsuru ho what ya sem na se nti no so ke obi ka kire ne pa awati ase nti oba abehye kokuo mu din peso okasa awurade nhyira mu mienu nyina
amen. Wow. Enchebia, it be lines not to me at the amamo, but so many messages that Ewahanum say. I will read some for you, but I just want to go to my fourth story. Shatawale. Yes, Shatawale. Ono so to be the ama ababa bia ono so esoyuma. I think so you ma hit it yeah. I didn't see it. Let's listen to this video and come.
Woman now kasa wo hit FM say some of us become and brag, we have money, we have this. Our artists in Ghana are so broke. The system is so broke, and as a result of that, nobody is even thinking about the brand anymore. The owner of Hit FM, I'm telling you, if you don't stop that your nonsense program for the Charlie, but now we are going to disrespect. See, if they go disrespect my mothers and my fathers and my godfathers and my sisters and my cousins and my everything, including the entire generation where they bring it come from nowhere. Wizkid came on stage. Everything that he was wearing, from the jewelry to the whatever put together, can even buy all the artists that came to perform from Ghana. Sally. Woman now kasa wo hit FM say some of us become and brag, we have money, we have this. Woman now kasa wo hit FM say some of us become and brag, we have money, we have this.
Oh, self-acclaimed dance soul king. And I ain't Kashatawari, but to be the master. Baba, I think this is too harsh.
Nanka me pa baba ya nasema nkasa okamenyase mi.
But you say video number.
Mama.
Yes, I video number.
Baba na sise.
Woman now kasa wo hit FM say some of us become and brag, we have money, we have this. Our artists in Ghana are so broke. The system is so broke, and as a result of that, nobody is even thinking about the brand anymore. The owner of Hit FM, I'm telling you, if you don't stop that your nonsense program for the Charlie, but now we are going to disrespect. See, if they go disrespect my mothers and my fathers and my godfathers and my sisters and my cousins and my everything, including the entire generation where they bring it come from nowhere. Wizkid came on stage. Everything that he was wearing, from the jewelry to the whatever put together, can even buy all the artists that came to perform from Ghana. Sally. Woman now kasa wo hit FM say some of us become and brag, we have money, we have this. Woman now kasa wo hit FM say some of us become and brag, we have money, we have this. Our artists in Ghana are so broke. The system is so broke, and as a result of that, nobody is even thinking about the brand anymore. The owner of Hit FM, I'm telling you, if you don't stop that your nonsense program for the Charlie, but now we are going to disrespect. See, if they go disrespect my mothers and my fathers and my godfathers and my sisters and my cousins and my everything, including the entire generation where they bring it come from nowhere. Wizkid came on stage. Everything that he was wearing, from the jewelry to the whatever put together, can even buy all the artists that came to perform from Ghana. Sally. Woman now kasa wo hit FM say some of us become and brag, we have money, we have this.
So that's exactly what happened. Sally Ebokaya, Shatawale, so no, had to be Eddie Amano. Unfortunately, those words are too harsh. Bishop, don't you think so? Are you clapping for?
Well, Shatawale, very powerful statement na Shatta Amano. And some na pia bonteno, yana anod eshe, because you treat your ma special. At the money be a fasa konya so ekan kuyasisemo a otia also koba bia na nibayania. We see nyansa firimo.
By the way.
Yes. Aya Shatawale nyame nhyira no. Ye ntia me nhyira ne se etim de ade ya artist nyina so no amegina obi atomu. Ade na baba ne kan tantan sa no. Unim sika da me ame wo fa se akodi account. Obi na se bia nya sika na abrabo ni na ni so no so ni nyina be we shoto a eno no ma aka kire obi se ahia no. Se bi hu ka obi damu ni ndi na kire wo se obi nto obi ndi ahia no. Ekrom woni mesikafo a wonti omudi. Kufuo ni onim na woto eto no, utini din sai. John Dramani Mama ni onim na woto eto no, utini din sai. Wo fast bi contractor ni mo ni din onim na woto eto no. When the team share na solid software so about site abes 25 billion and so enka no. Unim kofo bi woto eto. Sa 5 billion so the year photo ebu ni ho a, we dina bet ma yem 2. Obi a wo said you si fa kwa bi so bo ne bra. Set 30 years na mani mpiewa no ye bedu atema mi mpabi ma wo.
Kontomowesi asumdie mu.
Kontomowesi okura asumdie no.
Eyesi ni fear for the boy.
Eyesi ni fear for the boy.
No okun aye ho.
Na okun aye ho na.
Ade oyi ohia ni
ahi. Na eyo ohia ni ahi no. Oyi ohia ni ahi no.
Okun yefo ni mas.
Okun yefo ni mas.
Na ho nya ni totro.
O anya o totro da. Proverbs 17 verse 5. Ewadi nshira. Na ada na oso kasa tie. Ana ade no titwo. Brofo na yo mayi kakra. Ndie bi omo nteni America na see you. Ghana ni baba. Wonya akonya to radio so se. Yanum tufuo nyina ahia o. Na wokyerɛ wɔ Ghana nti. Ama wontimi nkura wɔ mudie mu yie. O maka dia ono omo siesie ho. Ene se be Brandon ye ka no. Se be omo si eyo niema ho. Wadi kie di o matem. Uwe asase. Nimtuni bi a ofiri sabi ni kurom. Abato no mwa ha na kandie na wofama. Ye kasi ye kane buo nyina abom wo tie ni ntade ye hye na. Ebetima to Ghana artist nyina what do you mean? We do atem onidi.
Okwasua no man tokwa.
Okwasua bia wa no frefre ntokwa.
Na funu so frefre.
Na waso fresh to. Yes, we deserve more than your chata but you can say pia bonte. Yes. Enye ka say we say pia bonte. Banku eni ono wa na ko so ka na ye time chase a kire no. Ade na mo ya ade ya nyini nkwa kire kakra sa. Ufi nim sa akode enim ne sai. Yesu obi anka ska de na kansu muntuta. Sa akode ba obi wa den wa ha. But you know for 15 minutes or 1 billion so you na down for keke. Golden trip Kobiza. Also not for 15 minutes me worry sa akode ba 1 billion. And you are there telling them say and here omo to omo branding. O cha atade na ubedi ana. O tompa buana ebe yo obi hye yi ana. So what do you mean about this word? Omo say memma artist ni memma dos wom. Wan check so betima ye okunu. Wan check so betima ye onu abema. Mo de omo betra media na mo trend no mo ye a. Kasa bia pia na maka.
Na we trend ori.
Na kasa ya onu nya trend odi pa be kasa ya we. Di asem na wo ka no. Shatawale na akura to no. Sebe tafrache. Ni nyame aye ni esana. Edi opeso mu ye duru sei na brand be na ahwehwe afiri won nchen. Wo se akode brand yan gofo ye mi so gofo tumi mfa ni show no. Se la asase brand ne nya da biom. Nampacho wa ye nsem twani no. O brand nte sei. Se ne sa atade a o share yetimi to Ghana artist nyina dia.
Whiskey that
Mo man nyina. Yetimi to Ghana artist nyina dia.
That's something else.
And you hear the whole battle so what was several a few. A dear cousin. I had this ready. Oh, the only animal wabble, General Brandon was so a Libana and a bandit a one course of power. It's the best thing and some form which I don't have one. And my word, do my opponent. And I say, a foot to which means children and another. I know you can't come and may as a nippon and can't be. You mean Komosa? It's only now a dinner shot and go sorry. I would do sorry. Would do sorry, papa. No, no, you said a 10 year one. And I don't blame him.
Well, found one.
Yes, I don't blame him. Gano, So I
find that teaching, no.
The open crying and for out to Sabian.
Ah, really? But say, who is there?
A 10 for Accra.
The way I know.
The moon feeling so bad was Akasakasa, no, they will laugh.
Ah, so what he's saying, you know, just.
A 10, so I'm going to as you. Only can you go out to?
It's way
no minutes on your money.
It's way no, over can't say way, said I there was a hot Sally.
The Sally and Kenya, and said them running with our Matias here. Would have formed and father things the mamma can. And can you not tell the dear P? Sending us Antebato, who feel wound to our type of words there, or moon. Grand Francia, or more than it yellow for our side, no. To only be an Saka say, we are say, honor.
Okay.
Aha, dear Momono dear. So I don't know what pigeon broken Albanian room says here. Obey full and Amma says here, no, we are a normal. Aha, Ginomondo, you're raining it. But I make Kenyan and say, let's shutter.
Okay.
Or a dance walking. And cry is yan a dorsal. And then Mabrun the pearl star more. There's a casse few and by Yasum dear. And Kamami and can you know dressing you? Both will be upon some Yashata candy and no crap again and Hunukasa. Now, Mounds also as a mark. It is a Okoyeni say, Sabita Fati, unity of Kaya everywhere, about to do a Tamsu Casano. Go on and nada.
Your mom Casa and Mbrenya.
Ma Casa and Nimbrenya.
Bar and Chin.
Da Casa no mentioning room.
Set Mamma said yes, some
who said yes, Nipedia.
Corrections forces.
It's your best. Shata Casa. Oma Casa and Nimbrenya. Near Slegan and Idias will be Bobra. No, yard ye be now penal continue for a foot.
Okay.
And your force. Yeah, my casa be wanted.
Bishop Obi said, what Shatta said is very bad. How can he use a woman's
But it is on your bar. Kubodi is a bearman. So Sana Motia.
Ah, so
Sana Motia.
Is she wrong to ask this question?
When I
why is she wrong?
On should be as some no and Sana can you okay? Once your bomb banny did no more than I said, and your mama dreaming a moment like Nipa. Muncha okura. Obe Bema the end of the diagrokura. He will sure say we are simple. Bawo ko boswe.
It's just
Sana yeah. But the Bema said Japadian no. He said your movie.
I know they are quite to say
yes, your private side no.
It's nothing.
Nothing to say.
Oh, I said I hate it. Almost to Chinaman.
Yeah, I asked young father on BBI. What about my doctor? What do you also put with us? I mean, at the end of the day, yeah, I am.
That's not a matter of kind.
The same thing, I private part. I don't know who I'm on. And one year, they were and money at the river. I
won't change.
As I am somebody and one change. Also, the banner here. My men also one change. And also, Bodi.
Why are you defending?
I'm not defending. Yeah, man, you may be a more mad damn Mutima Yamote, but Namudin, some Munamunim. And on I am a travel, but I'm a trail on the Conanian as a typical girl, Yenina Mupa. Be any Yabua. Obi Bob bread, we say, who the chance and the brand in air time. Only Casawaka Chenipan. On the brand in your time. Now, what my brother would we say?
So say,
who's on the catching by
I think some of them are broke.
Well, you see some of them no class. Opposite some of you are better. But the Ghana artists, they are broke. Where the name you? I said, you must have what two by I tell you now. We because saying yawa. The Pakro, what is the Udini? It's all the one that saying Yami Bosi and Yami. Ghana artists and here. And Lunti. Artist back wa buru chire the dress in betima to omunyina o kan buru fum it what limit what do more spirit before nkofo bi eso obeto wa mna wura abrebo mo no nto se de o me si abonti na pie for Ghana fo no e na me consider kakra nia no tanke no na waye no sabi ya se krama o kaka o de ne wedie na eko so o kasa bi o mfamfa so bi amere Ghana ndingo kama ayo nko nte yawo se tirika no kure bi ya dem faso nyina ti se odikadie bi no no say oben ni nyina so iti awa itimi ka bi ma obi personal life de on epe obi wala bi atete no kra address and say aye da to ade ane bo de kwetimi kika nsi ani iti ano so nche say ehia no ano nche so obi betima to no di so yi su sa wa no nka de na nkyerɛw bemma woni awon so tina wi ase ase tina nyina won te ho ase da awo huni se wi ase no eye miyenu wo sama na nso betima sama unnim na kanso wi ebe na hu se ehia no ze ehia na ade to ne so baba be kyerɛ ase no nso be kyerɛ de kontu so ase kanka no because bi abobere du se ehia ne dia ene se de we dwale adudu hu se still ascend wo ade na moji ni wi ase oba ka asema kyerɛ be ma ya wi a onim se we oba nti yentimi nka bi gyam ise na ma ni nsua oye na ya fa ye nanya ya unyina mkotare so obi abebu obi because be ma private partner won na mo ma munya mani die free na mo so private partner won ye ni die wo ya da na mo ka mo de asne de mo se chirika sa de na etuo ntwa ya pesa afoforo ye ma no won so ye sa ma afoforo
de bi on pesa afoforo nya
ade bia on pesa afoforo nya ma
so munya sa
ye sa ma no
awe ni mra
na we ye mra dis edifo no
Matthew 7:12
ate bisase na ni kunu ane ntakra mpo a anani kunu ane kwa me iji mpo a anani kunu ne sa akwadie mpo a such word will come from its mouth bisano remember
So you think say because she doesn't relate to any of this stuff?
you know
Pastor offensive some of them, offensive a lot of them. Offensive bebree.
Go you see sir. Obi a ekwa obi e po asema nye so po asemo.
Good. But Bible talk say most of artists no are they rich?
But you cannot say most of
them are they rich?
Ya duma e semtwefo ye nya na wiska.
Gabi.
Ndi ano na so okoka say Ghana nsemtwefo emiska nti nsemtweni ye ba e ren dress obetuma to ye nyina. Kwame dinkra be pia be kanti mu na kiro because unim ye dana kanti. Captain Smart be ba be foko because unim ye dana kanti. But me dey make man what because me how can ye no kore. Sa na wiase abrabote. Nti no ka asema nti ne you should be no. Nke be man komo no aye de. Go ye nyina ye nim se e bia sa abrante no bae. Ahyehyɛ de nyina akeka boma. An ya patapa de betima fa ni show. Nti no no enhye dan ha obi pi.
Okay.
But all the be ye omu nyina unim bro bi abo e bi kro no kra na wo wa no teacher ma bi no.
All right.
E bi bo mo kra de be ye ni om de yo. Dudi anu achi de cassette ya obi wa mistake kase. Obi kosho a ni suru be sini form. Ko falling na yi for no mo kan obi obiro ni adamfo. O kosho no kra na otimi yi ni chenya. Ono artist be kwenti mi nto. Man watch artist ni ntimi nto. So of course boni di. Oboni man wa boni di ahim. Ubozo de siesie no wa begina o tu ni ma memfa nkoko obi kase titire. Obi so mpa obi ade. Ne dia keto na obeye ni yie. Asabi atade papa ba akuya. Na akoto no ba bi boutique ya yewura. The same nika, the same designer. Ukodu boutique bia, you turn 500 cedis. Boutique bi so de be ma 2.5. This way Jimina ba akoto 500 cedis dia na be hum dia ka se be am turn na fumdi. Enye say designer say da utidi so. Eto na betie ya yeto obi nim yewo ayi kase e friend nana abetie ne ye kama
e say wo akokase nyina
na betie ye kama enso wato aboka 15 cedis but you go di the same abetie wo tulu beto no 1.5 eno nche say special una ape na aboka no akwa abo na me so na mpe na meto ni fia akodi
okay
ntini ya ye nwuru sa na manya na mo abrabo na ye nko ya nim na sira mpa muna mo wadwo ma mo nkomo nka se bi o ka kire obi na anya ne do so be ma ne opebia na so
na hala uti akwa yo
na wadwo amene ni nya yakoye ni
all right some no do so me final one embro na fi me mo akwanya na orem na o contribution bi afisa wodi ba no timi fabra. I have this story here. Baba Spirit no a story e wa ha concern the fact say bigger quiz in the busiafo ni bi e clash here na eventually busiafo ni bi so aba mountain e ba be chu e dey check Ghana for ina momo we say bi so say bi enya ado wo moti ne yade at the 2 years before say obi e she bi join
no na watching you ya in them.
Ese ne yare ne nyina no na watwe menu ntam na busua te se modehye no yare
Me pacha.
Okay. Na wadarumo say nidi mu a moti ye no na wasi yare be na ye no.
No kwasem say baba nankasa ofre na sanya be ya obenya kwan na woni wadi ntomo no aya na eya edu a be fe no say ofa me ya de nti me wi a me fere. Nti emma wonti ni ansre yare akotin ena yare na no ya ni o se mi obi wo no ofre na o fa me home fa me o ede na ye o obetini acha se bia malaria na se siba but ubu kana onka yeah
Nti na wa ma abusua ehu yare akotin ya na ha no ba mu de mu ti ya ne se o ka asem se ne ho mfa no
yeah
na wadaruma etino sabri ya sabi otwa na chi hwe dan me yesho so wasum egugu nkomodi ya kokokoso ene ne interviews bi a woyeye ya ansana asemi esie me pacho mo hwe bi na mo ati bi nso
no kwasem say me ankata de me hwe bi after na me say yes baba to say yes we to say but enona aya na me
mfanya asem let's say what say bi a wono ananum asem o ka no video mu se sebi onipa dasani na etu anamo se sebi wo gene crafri ni nsem wo honhoma kwan so a ohun dwiru ana ohun bedwiru
ebe ha me ebe mo wanso
na etino abusia wada man ti say eyimfa ne se ekoba ana se ebeda abusia nim se ne kwemu modihye no nsem a no wo kanie se eye nipa bi na na ehyehyehye ne yare na chi ne ni wu achi ne nsem wo nyina ekokokoso na ebetom nim a wada mo ye na mube ya fa ho
eba ne sa abusia betra se na ya dwen ne efata ene ne este
okay
you know na watching you ya in them
let's say ne yare na nyina no na watching you ni ntem na busua te se
I say baba story I think I know ne offer and eventually accident can say o kaso no ka no o fra oni adaje ko ni bekasa a church say wo fa me ya dey am be for star line a lot of people are like that you see nation
Diane Baba would ya I too quick Abrantia no warden is I knew nipa na be ne bonya nkata m so isa da bia me ka je bibini a yawo se wa bibiri na yifirim no ade wo so di jam pa ye mo yale se aduru e ya haban ko nim se ya adwene ntimi ndu abrofo na haban no ko abrofo abagi adi pala ne topa ya monum nya twetwe haban mu nsuo pusa haban ya mo nom de afa abefo kwa so di abremo
okay
tini yesu so na di do sidia so wo ko wa ko nzakura no wa ko school o di ase di da bia ye kama bare ne no ya the teachers na dan na bosom sem ama sabe onipa yare no ohun sade na de ban ni ahonhom bia chiwade ya haban na nya haban bia so na timi honhom bi edi se honhom bi na aba wo so adutu atu nipa omo wo ade udi ko mu a yebeto ado be di poison in take place wo so ni nyina ya haban kuro ya na ede ye ti oni abi wo a etu a yetu ye wo haban ya kan ready etu aboba ntimi wura ready onim ni nyina urade sheda ye di jaye ni nipa na ebet
na nsuo no
ahane ha
ena nua ye di ahodo nyina befifi
ena enua ye di ahodo nyina befifi
na ha impo
na ha ba ne de ampo
na bansa obesu na busu mimu efrise ni nsuo no konkro bia no efria asre na fie na aba be ye aduane na ha ba de awodu eye duro Zeke 47:12.
Etina do na ba aduane die ndi ubedi ne mo na haba no se ye don pese odi aduro ni ye bibia If you want to have any pay cry or have a do our pay.
Oh, okay.
This is a common book, business, and come to me money in JB. I dear Pia on a debine. Bagana, grow ye dedo. Oh, yeah, in your dana bosom. Soon my bosom, dear. I ya much own is any boy. I dear say, you do two different than other. I had to meet trauma, dear 2 years. You move a brave, I hate you. Then Fabusiana will be him. Oh, friend, I saw being added. Oh, I don't know. Yeah, what's that? No, I alone when you are never in 2 weeks. Now,
that's a one solid year.
And I'm
not cano. Next, I know could you of a frau. Then I will can say, as an antenna say, bear 1 year, as one said, dancing.
Yeah.
So I confirm it with that, like why you almost 1 year. Wow.
Not 2 weeks, Ben or Mattia. And I'm for sure I'm measuring you out for Bayano. Difference at the end. So what you want? I say, I did to so any other for no quite do my bar, no young for so the other to a power. But what but one more could this home bed. So we see some now could die Bianca or the Abba. Not your quantum Zana Obre. The Sauko. The rest of it. And never do I am my name coffee. You won't come to encourage you. A dancer boy. When you want to a bit of Betwania, yes.
I said, what this is.
Sasa for this.
Good now, Council.
Now, Council.
No Musa the theatre.
Some of some fear about Quasem.
They are company.
Pakua or Quampada. Never. The boss have been Yahoo, so
say.
About for it to say. On Faso.
Jeremiah says 16.
And then I'll call you. If fear dear, some poor master class, some Yaku.
Sir, I was an it's almost you for me.
Near Busiabe to me, I am a one. Adam phone to me. Now, from Makuma, couldn't me take it always. It is a coffee. A dance of war, my maybe no more did. A dance of war, virtually. I could probably say that I love a cucina Korea another bang. Men trouble on Tinu. I wouldn't near woo ya, Ubenya. Now, I'm one maybe be uncle Torte. Now, of a monso and idea. Omafa nisu so friend na mountain ka ba ya ka cho so yare ni so mountain nka kora nipa na ofre esi ne so no bisa bi o na locate u de hia so de hia yare no TV aduma na ntante nka biom bia o so hu se yare ne yare the 2 weeks management tu na mo bia ko this we be da bi man trust ne ho hia mo just on na akoye ye okrom no mfi ndi mo so mo mfa ne ho da bi o ti ase na me ka cho so on hwe wo mpo a se wo su gina bia ka se mo fa ase ne baba spirit e mo nyam foforo die besre ye mo ntua na mo tete sa mfa support na ye sunsum ni ye kra ni mo mra nya na ye ko a ye tima ko akoye ni abika che bibini se na mfa mpa ibo ni agoro na mfa haban su ni agoro
Mamoni now.
mawani na ho na wen efri se
Utamfo bonsam ni nam.
Utamfo bonsam no nam sejata
No bubom. No you should obey nam.
Show ni pa bi amene no.
Ono na momfa gidi enyina ho pinti.
Ono nti na ya momfa mu gidi enyina pinti.
Na munsi ni kwan. Efri se. Munim se. Amani hunu na na ode matum.
Amani hunu mu na ode ya to da.
1 Peter 5 verse 8.
Ni nipo ode wa to amani hunu mu de ya mfani ni agoro sa. Di fa gidi ejina pinti. Ne sine kwan. Ewo ho no ansa be pushi ubiem. Tina me se ya wada bia ebna da bia bra ye mo mpae. Na bonsam ne nam nani abre.
Obubom se jata
pro bi apra no. Ebe ka 3 months am ya be di buru nya. Odo ti abe huni se mu no be si.
Yes, so.
It is all the better na wa ma na be fo abobo anu ansa no ani aba ho so da wa wo so. Awurade nye ye boafo. Omfa baba kra ensie yie. Ompega na basa ento ye kra so. Oma ne bambo meye. Awurade ma enkwaje mfam ye ho. No ma ya hoode na yebetim bia di atamfo so. Owo nkwachire mfiri ya brabom. Na edene. Ebe ye mere.
Amen. Of course, your line is not tomorrow. Over to me, afraid. And I want to come on Facebook Live and read about 2 or 3 messages there. Now, after just start to applique more calls, more 15 minutes to strike the top side of 8 a.m. I want to try a best story. Jumedi no so. I have this one to say that Diane, it's so sad that people don't respect their family. Baba, may your soul rest in peace. Next time, channel your message to the WhatsApp line on the screen. Hello? Okay. Obi my Maminko Facebook Live again. Na Minshi. Hello, good morning. Yes, my dear, good morning. Good morning. Alright, copy and two. Okay, Sally, yeah.
It won't be a good what you organize the market because of dressing. It is a cost of down. No one will be then I can be on the dress in the many of the upper.
Yes, as a copy, but then as a home. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, madam.
Yes, my dear. Remind you wako.
Oh, yeah, we are some of you.
Yakupa to me pa.
Opa. Yeah. Ana Bible book of Panote. Bible book of Panote. Opa, the opinion. Now, let's have some that we did another Muslim did a beard, and the Kaka or my idea for when it comes to rap music and other music. So when one word it is, I mean, in American other parties, especially romance, I have to see, do both or more, what do you call it? I don't know how to even say.
Okay.
Both or more calendar, and a few example. But when the rock of rap from during their days, they change the and not and so on. Every year there was a release music from America. Okay. Rap. Now we see chef and money out there. But we don't have lamplight now. I think that's anomaly. After Yami and Minnie for yet. Oh my God, yes. They have done a lot. Mamma and also some point and now the tune of us new to it and not been for a year. About 30 years. Me, I'm after that's not them my critical set. I'm young to the dear Ghana for doing Yanini. They say you were missing from your Ghanaians, or would you have to get in now? You bet me a Yamana could do this level. In the February would you look at the way a present mesa, I hope one now buy it. And so our body in Yantia Moody and Papa Family and to be this one yet. Kofi and the same thing. Yania to the Kuma, and you two mammy, Papa Mammy, is in our office, and somebody group market to and Japan computer from Mammy. With the emphasis I mistake. Say, yeah, tourism, Funra, you listen to you Funra as a tourism. Young, what probably the third on your board, the film, probably the whole Maudi. You incorporate the 2 years in the Yena Mamu. I would not tell one. You bet me up with one room. Now, yet the Benjamin government media you could go with the into a pastoral way, mamma.
Yes, so yeah, that's it. Remind you for from contribution. I don't pay more dear. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
My dear Gronto. Wapi? I've been out to say over. About you.
You offer what?
And I can be natural. And then it being here at the 9 I can't see a young upon the matter.
Amen.
But it's not the way I will be answered. And that is you, I will be answered. No, you go to that one, you have only program. Now, only say, there's only
dia baba wana men ko ni ma ko ana men ya o ma ko bi dia dia ko ni ya dia ko ni no no ni ka ko ni ka ma ni ko ya ka dia baba de ka la me buku transport me sabi ni kia ke ka ko ni ni ko ni ko ya na ani mo ni ni oh ele seria tudo que não acontece como o bico é no coisa da é o boa ele fica para o botar de outro que ele tem e ana como que ele fica ele não escapa ele nem seria então do jeito que tem que não tem o que não deve ser isso é e a despaitinho any person any sanda kusuma so it is a short I'll be the one short but a honey now with the people that and so one phone I will watch you now that we look at and one of you maybe I know you more papa you be a woman you may be why you and if you will be too sick now you I'll go and come in the other so you na nikata no anyone can use also come speak also no one can share and the and the other next time one chance to do the where do you get no ko te what is the matter what over the no who what
so free. Okay. Hello, good morning.
good morning
Now what to say?
Yami adu mo na mo so
Young papa do me say when I'm the name. All right, Robert, thank you.
If I saw a bottle of Casa or Casapa, Donna, I see no, I'll get you.
All right.
We see the Apollo in Nigeria. The first album, the Papa until the first album, the Saturday, very Karu, I kind of first track for a Karu. That's a map on the Papa until master track and another 15 to 16 years.
Yeah.
We see the Apollo ticket to the shop. All the Kura, every one time I go to Mau. We see it. That audio won't tell me go to Mau. We see. Now, the Papa, who for Papa, keep my way to the company who will move one. Now, over the other. Shatawale, a pump for my dear Jim of Nizania, my dear man, Shatagana, and enjoy number one. Shata Bessie, United, Bonnie Chain, and Kawan, and the Moku for Naya, the water. If you can't get it, I'm and steady. The bush only three. One can say, let them or Saoma, and Minchia, and I said, yes, I'm a count. Without the winning of the
That's so true. Okay. Yeah, yes, I can say. Hello, good morning.
No, my first I am. So we are buying.
Bye-bye, you.
Okay. The chair, one of the four and then radio my chair, yes, my family, my Ghana, my areas. Because of Koa, you are in your car, your Bambasco. Because of Koa, you are in your car. So we interview no question. We don't know. We know the name you be through you. Let me name for the dear enough, you'll be an defense or bad diameter. We host a man of fane radio mine. We need me say be a day of fire host which is baby of which we are, and I had the radio mine able to look here. Because I'm what the say. I'm host to a mom, and you will Juma, and I'll find so the and the other son shooting in some film, a program and maybe aspect. Now, radio man speak picture of anyone may have seen higher than that, kick off and nothing. If you are in the stadium, you go for in people who could pull a process meeting, you will be free. I'm about the funny position, you and find out in your because you know any family and nobody is over to your what they have been lost about. Well, all from what offer, I'm going to share one net, Christo move the point.
Amen.
Now, on the pump, more things to do fine. Christian friend is flat. And you move where I am from the pastor. I think I'm one of them.
Amen. Something I know who is strong. Oh, I want to young to Nami Shampa. beautiful. Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Diane.
But therefore, we didn't baby our friend me free.
To do not blame Kabanawa. You see, the Malisa meeting, the friend of the Fuata. Wow, because of like now can cut that.
Yo, we could have minimum patch on one uncle.
We didn't
Patch you. When you all. Okay.
No, sir, radio man to my.
Okay, me could not come now. I know my you want to tell me why. Okay, yeah, okay, anymore.
I mean, Kakalan, oh, the kid, you know. So, Diane, and of radio, yes, so, into Diane, the Tikai, so the previous, what fine, or energy, but Diane, the number of power, but then you how many more? I don't know if I can play and pray. I also bet you on more. What kind of going to do on my view? And yes, Papa, so yes, sir. Then, when Omuya, and Manana, no more, no more, no more, you know. So, it's no matter. And I make a grand answer at our end. And no one waka. Bye bye.
Yo, yeah, that's so free. Hello, good morning. Okay, Obiamba, they have this message that said that shutter is good for coming out, but insulting is not actually good for shutter. I like you so. Take your time. God bless you. Or probably that's what you really want to say. I have this one from Yvonne that says that what she said was wrong. Diane, please, I support him 100% for saying the truth. It's from Yvonne on there. Well done, Shatawale. Good morning, Obapa Diane and Wafidria. Of course, you and your educative team. Good morning to you all. Diane, sorry for not active on your show nowadays. It's from Amankwa Positive. You say because my duty time has changed, that is why. But I make sure I watch it later. That's great. Keep on watching. Hello, last caller.
Good morning.
Good morning. Pachodini baby, I'm friend.
Yeah. I think one will be cut. I just also carry children to shut tire for 200%.
That's it. Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Fine morning.
Great. Pachodini.
We from them, I think I'm working about the canal summer.
Okay.
I think they're very, very good for Kata.
Okay.
Here, you may be a cost for Ghana, you can from my wagon to kind of crown that I go.
Okay.
That's any banter. Here, and that really, the meaning to be far, Papa, area one, you should do what say. It's true, it's a yet of so water, but 30%. Next week, you better listen. When we can more and for no one talking to the one time. Now, the jump from the kind of woman something, not a year in Ghana.
Yes, that's for Papa. I'm the time why it's time for Kobe because when they still are cause banner or a bar, but one friendship or the most sorry, and the mobile me to do. And see, I think the message is someone to continue and I mean, can you become you fancy a bear? I'm a language in a while. Papa, young way.
Diane Etna, nyame asɛm korɔgye mpaepa a na wɔtene ka ho ɛwɔ classic school park.
Okay.
Wɛsi onipa bi asɛ kyena deɛ fa ho hyɛ mu wode wano abɔ ato hɔ akyɛ wonim dɔnkono a sɛ be wo ha wobɛba nti saa bere no a na ɔsɛ otu anama ɔno abɛbɔ awurade mpaeɛ ɛhyia wɔ classic school park radio wie ɔde namba no bɛto dwa kyina bra yɛ nyinaa yɛ mmom nneɛma mpaeɛ nhyɛ awurade deɛ no mu nyam mfa baabi ate nyiyi wo ho ano na ɔha ne ba bɛtwa kwan akyɛn baabi a wɔteɛ no awurade nhyira onipa bi a wɔtieɛ ɔnyɛ obi akɛse me ne din de akwasi agyamfoɔ ɔbɔ adeɛ nhyira no na awurade nhyira me senior brother Fredy Abua Reverend Martin Kwaku Fojo de obi amekyia no kwan so nko so na yere Mrs Monica Fojo na Ebenezer Adakwa ya dom so machia no na machia Isaac Owusu bempa baabi obi a awurade nhyira no nyina
radio
Unfortunately, now they have been to the open about this city and so never direction about the two of them and the law and the thickness there. Good. Number is 0555 73 68 11 0555 73 68 11. Go for
All right, enti ye kodia ye pastor ma odifo na ye boa o japekrom ba se odihye bia na dwum ka no ye no mabata bata de na wo ba na ka cha we yo moa sanso ne be da ho me system block factory for so ase e ba no blocks e ba na dan e ba no sase fadan wo mo they going to support you well anokai me director ochino so executive producer for the show, Ura Samdagos, supported by Queen AJ Hipsy, and of course, the Uma and Ninia Longozon, I think, Bumina Branty, famous, one more, and I embalm Chidon, and MCR. We did it, Diane, a doing a bottom qua, a shami, or Kumasi, 104.1, the Kumasi. Constituted or until tomorrow morning. Bye bye.